Hello, world historians, and congratulations on making it to the sixth week of this 6 week semester. Um, the focus this week is on the 20th century, which is obviously the century I was born in. I expect was the century your parents were born in. And the question I want to start off with this week is 100 years from now, what will historians make of the last 100 years? And that's a question I want you to hold in your heads this week as you read the epic sixth chapter of Robert Marx's Origins of the Modern World. I want you to think about this. I posted several videos for this week, including a video on the Russian Revolution, some material on the Cold War as well. And I want you to think about as well, or I want us to think about the human cost of the conflicts which shaped the 20th century, particularly the Second World War. I posted a video there on the modules, The Fallen of World War II, which looks at, in a very visual way, imagining the human scale of that conflict and that human suffering. And I want us to think about how does visualizing this kind of information help us to understand the past and even some quite horrific chapters of our past history. So that's for the videos for Module 6, but of course this is our final week. So I want to make sure that everyone is steering on course for a successful conclusion to week 6. So I want to remind you all just very briefly about the deadlines which are approaching, including the Media and Historical Connections essay, which is due on the 26th. That's Saturday, the 26th of June. If you haven't already done so, you can send me your article choices, any queries you have about the articles, or any draft material between now and then. And then, last but not least, of course, the final exam is heading your way on the Thursday, June 24th, through till the Saturday, June 26th. And the week before, the day before, on Wednesday, the day before that Canvas assignment opens, I will send you the actual final exam via Canvas announcements. So you will have that ahead of time. I've also created a quiz tab. There is a quiz which is part of your final exam. There are going to be 25 questions on the quiz. Each question is worth 2 points, so 50 points out of the 250 points that are available for the final exam will be on the multiple choice quiz. All of that material is taken from our good friend Robert Marx, although some of it you may have to sort of think outside the box a bit or look around to find the answers. They're not necessarily just straightforward factual questions, so even though they're multiple choice, I've tried to make some of them at least a little bit more conceptual, a little bit more critical thinking type questions, if you like. So feel free, again, to reach out to me, send me any questions, any draft material. Obviously, once the final exam opens on Canvas, I can no longer provide feedback on the exam, so if you can get that to me as soon as possible, I will appreciate that. And it's been a pleasure to have you as the world historians for this summer session. I hope you'll remember to fill out your online evaluations and let me know if you have any questions. And congratulations once again. Thanks, and have a great weekend. Have a great week, everyone. Okay, thanks.